Who hasn't dreamt of having their own personal chef to whip up tasty meals at a moment's notice? Well, now there's a robot for that. Molly Robotic Kitchen, with a robot cook, can create thousands of dishes with the skill of a master chef, says its inventor, Mark Olejnik.
That's the idea behind all this kitchen. When you get freshly cooked meal, anytime you need, day and night, from the good number of potential choices.
The robot draws from a database of thousands of recipes and is programmed to mimic the movements of a real chef.
Because of how it's based on human hands, it's got the potential to do just about any job in the kitchen. And that would open up all kinds of possibilities for the chefs to do other things and be more creative, I think.
It's not because humans can't do the same job, says Olejnik.
It's because the machine is very good for copying and reproducing things. And the machine not make a lot of mistakes. Machine can work 24/7, and the productivity of machine is much bigger.
And it's also multifunctional.
If you want to have frying station, it will do fry. If you want to have like a pasta station, we can do pasta. If you want to do risotto, we can do risotto. Doesn't matter what you can put inside, machine can operate it.
Olejnik's motivation for his invention?
Food. I'm a food lover. I want to have this food just when I want it, not when I can get it.
Which is the whole idea behind the kitchen.
I'd just be happy to see people around the world eating the same food that I love. And I think that genuinely will bring people together around the world.
Julie Tabo, VOA News.